Hello everyone, today let's talk about weight loss tip number 3, stop late night craving the smart way. So eating late at night does double the damage because your body isn't that active. You are not burning that much of the sugar, and the sugar and the insulin stay high all night. Over time that raises your risk of weight gain, insulin resistance, prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, fatty liver disease, poor sleep, and even heart diseases. So it's like packing your suitcase full of clothes and everything, but never going on the trip. All that extra weight has nowhere to go, so your body just stores it as fat. So that is exactly what is happening for late night snacks. So here is how you can fix it. The fix: eat your dinner about 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. That gives your body enough time to digest, keep your blood sugar stable, and shuts down those false hunger signals that show up late at night. Make sure your dinner has enough healthy protein and good amount of healthy fat as well. That'll keep you fuller for a longer period of time, and no need to go for snacking or grabbing quick calories at night time. So recharge your body smart, not with snacks. That's how you beat late night craving and keep your weight loss on track. Now tell me one thing, when craving hits you at night, do you usually reach for sweet or salty stuff? Share that secret with me. It will be lovely to know your nighttime craving fixes.